In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Deck Screener. Start by opening the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. If you are on an iPhone or iPad, then open the App Store. This is the first step in accessing the Deck Screener app. On the screen, you will see a search bar at the top. This is where you will enter the name of the app. A clear view of the store interface will help you feel comfortable navigating through the options available to you. Next, you will search for Deck Screener. In the search bar, simply type Deck Screener and hit enter or tap the search icon. The results will populate the screen showing various apps. This step is crucial because it ensures you are looking for the correct application. A simple misspelling could lead you to a different app that may not have the features you need. Once you see the app, verify that it is published by Deck Screener Inc. This verification is essential for ensuring that you are downloading the official app and not a counterfeit version. Check the developer information below the app name. You will see the name Deck Screener Inc. listed there. This step protects your device and your data from potentially harmful applications. Now it's time to tap Install if you're on Android or Get if you're using an iPhone or iPad. This action begins the download process. You will notice the button changing to show the app is being downloaded. Watching the progress bar fill is satisfying and assures you that the app is on its way to being ready for use. If prompted, authenticate with your Google account on Android or with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple account password on iPhone or iPad. This verification step is important for security. It confirms that you are authorized to install apps on your device. You may feel a bit of hesitation here, but rest assured this process is designed to keep your device secure. After authentication, you will need to wait for the app to download and install. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed. During this time, you can see the progress indicator. It is perfectly normal to feel a bit impatient, but soon enough, you will have Deck Screener ready to go. Once the installation is complete, tap Open. This action will launch the Deck Screener app for the first time. You might feel a sense of excitement as the app opens, revealing a sleek interface designed for tracking decentralized exchanges. A smooth opening experience will set the tone for your future interactions with the app. Optional, at this point you can choose to sign in or create an account. Doing so will allow you to sync your watch lists, alerts, and preferences across devices. This optional step is beneficial if you plan to use Deck Screener on multiple devices. Having everything synced means you can access your information no matter where you are. Note that Deck Screener is free to download. It provides valuable features like tracking real-time prices, charts, watch lists, and alerts across various blockchains and decentralized exchanges. If you prefer using a computer, you can access Deck Screener directly through its official website without the need to download an app. This flexibility allows you to choose the platform that best suits your trading style. With these steps complete, you are now ready to make the most of Deck Screener. Enjoy exploring the app and all the features it has to offer.